Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create blockchain account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to create a new blockchain account using a mobile device, first make sure that you've downloaded the blockchain app from your App Store or your Play Store. And once you have the application, simply give it a tap to open. The first interface of blockchain will look like this. In order to create a new account, tap on Create an Account button and enter an email address that you have an access to in the first text box. Once you're done typing in an email, head over to the password field and type in a new password that you'd like to create for your blockchain.com account. Once you're done creating a password, select your country of residence from the drop-down beneath, and if you have a referral code, simply enter your referral code in the text box at the bottom. Remember that blockchain.com never stores passwords and therefore it cannot be recovered or reset. If you lose access to your wallet, you'll need to enter the secret private recovery phrases in order to access your funds back. Click on this little box beneath in order to confirm that you've understood and tap on Get Started at the bottom. Now, create a PIN number on your mobile device by typing in the PIN with the help of the keypad. Confirm your PIN by retyping it again. And on the next page, you'll need to now verify your email address. Open up the email inbox that you entered just now. Tap on Check My Inbox, and once you open up your inbox, tap on the email that you received from blockchain.com. Verify your email address by tapping on Yes, I confirm this is my email address at the bottom. And now you can go back and open up your blockchain app. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new blockchain account. Go ahead and complete your profile, verify your identity, link a payment method, and buy your first cryptocurrency with blockchain. Now the next step is to go ahead and find your recovery phrase. If you ever lose access to your wallet, you can easily use the recovery phrases to get back to your funds. Go and tap on the human icon at the top left-hand corner and scroll all the way down and tap on Backup Phrase under Security. On the next page, you'll be able to see 12-word phrases. Tap on View Recovery Phrase, but make sure no one is watching on your screen right now, and copy the recovery phrases, put it in a secure folder, or simply write down your recovery phrases in a piece of paper and store it somewhere else safe where no one will be able to get access to them. After you do so, tap Next at the bottom. Now, you'll need to enter the following words from your backup phrases in order to complete the backup process. You'll need to type in the word as it is asked on the screen. It is asking me for my sixth word, so let me go ahead and type it in. Simply go find your backup phrases and type in the sixth word. Once you do so, on the next field, type in your 11th and your 5th word. Once you are done, tap Verify at the bottom. Once you've backed up your phrases, you'll now be able to restore your wallet even if you forget your login credentials on your blockchain. That is how you can easily create blockchain accounts. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.